Yes. Thank you, Shane, for that wonderful introduction. And I was, okay, Riway was introduced to me by my former choirmate, Quezon City. And she's none other than Timely Pado, Miss Angela Benson. Okay? She's not here, she's in Malaysia right now. Okay. And, syempre, bago niya ako napapayag dito, so many invitations, so many no's. Tapos tumatawag siya sa akin. Hindi na ko lang, I don't answer. Busy ako at the time. I was working in a BPO on this same building. Okay, this building is from 5th floor and above, call center yan. Okay, and yes. Okay, I was working with Telepac, Telstra. Okay, there's a task about Telstra. And it's a day shift. And my schedule is 6 p.m. until 3 p.m. Okay. At that time, sa BPO, uso dyan yung may kota-kota. Okay. So quarterly, namimit namin yung kota. We have 50K dapat. I-spend namin yan sa mga kainan dyan, yung mga buffet, di ba? Yung mga maramihan. Yung team namin dapat laging weekly lumalabas. Until sa mga huddle pa namin, team huddle, may mga prices ng mga chocolates and everything na kayang i-spend yung 50K. And yan, doon na-develop yung hypertension ko. Bukod sa stress sa trabaho, okay, BPO's really stress environment. Okay. So, sabi ko ba itong work na ito? Okay, sana yung pasok, 6 a.m. kasi 4:30 a.m. alis na ako nakaita. So, before 6, nandito na ako. And then 3 p.m., kailangan umalis ka na rito. Bakit? Pag umabot ka ng 5, ang dating mo sa bahay, 9 p.m., 10 p.m., di ba stressful? And you have to get up at 3 a.m. So, 2016, I decided to resign. Bukod sa hypertensive na ako, so when I'm exposed to the sun, masakit ang ulo ko, yuyuko lang ako, masakit ang ulo. And my reason is health. I want to make myself healthy, so I was invited by a friend. Okay? I was invited by a friend who is engaged with Company H. Okay? You know Company H? Diba? If you want to be healthy, ask me help. Oh, if you're a networker, alam niyo yan. So, at the time nag-join ako, okay naman, kaya lang yo-yo diet. And that was 2016. Sabi ko, ano kaya yung product na makakapag-improve ng condition ko? Hypertensive ako at the time, kasi both parents ko hypertensive. Yung papa ko, may heart issues, yung mama ko hypertensive. Ayoko yata nun, ayoko ng condition nila. So yung mom ko, yung first attack niya ng stroke, na-survive niya. But the second, after a year or 2, yung second stroke niya, hindi na siya nag-survive. Ayoko ng gano'n. And she's 44 years old only at the time. Diba? Bata. Sabi ko, ayoko. At the back of my mind, there is something na makakatulong makapag-improve ng condition. Until a friend of mine from Company U International gave me this set of bottles. However, sabi ko, makakatake ko niyan, siguro naka 1, 2, 3, 4 sets ako. I gained weight. So, yo-yo diet, di ba? Si Company H nga kinokontrol niya na yung yung health ko, yung weight ko. Pero nung si Company U, kasi friend ko siya, yung nagbibigyan ko, hindi ba ito? Okay. Another Company U, local. Another friend, di ba? Ang dami kong friends na nasa networking. Nagbibigyan ko. Until at the time, pati yung dalawa kong anak, mahikayat ko pa. Na, join here. Ganyan, maganda, no? Kaya lang, ang ganda ng marketing presentation, pero yung produkto, hindi rin maganda yung dinimit sa akin. So sabi ko, i-give ko muna ako. And then, I transferred to another company. And that is near my place, and that is in SM Antipolo, Pasinag. Okay. So, namamalay ko lang ako sa Brookside. Merong recruiter doon. Ma'am, mag-sign up ka na. Sabi ko, sige, mamamalay ko muna ako. Iyak ako na. And then, pagbalik ko, nandun ko siya. Ang tsaga talaga. inantay ako. Ante, hindi ko nakita yung bibigyan ko. Nadahan ako na ng recruiter. Sabi sa akin, mag-sign up ka. Sabi ko, sino na-sign up ako? Ini-interview na ako at the time. Sabi ko, ma'am, sumama ka na sa amin sa company namin. Wow, mamamalengke lang ako. Ito na naman another work for me. Okay, sige. So, on that same day, I was offered a JO. Sabi ko, ay, night shift. Yes, ma'am, sabi sa akin. I'll try to think about it. Tapos, tinausap ako nung another supervisor. So, why not try with us? Inisip ko, sige, siguro mga 3 to 4 months lang ako dyan. Okay, sign up na ako, no, JO on that same day. Sabi ko, 3 to 4 months lang ako, sige na, pero inabot ako ng 4 years. Oo, inabot ng 4 years, and that was 2019. And that was the time that Angela is insisting for me to meet her. Sabi ko, pagbibigyan ko ba to? Sabi sa akin, nandito nga yung business partner namin from Singapore. Hindi ka introduce ko. Meet kami sa restaurant. O, sosyal. Sa restaurant ang meeting namin. Samantalang yung ibang networking company. Pagka ititrain ka, may bayad. Pagkain mo, may bayad. Samantalang ito, dadali ka sa restaurant, Max. Ang daming food. Sabi ko, sige. Tapos at that time, in-OPP na ako. Ang nag-retain sa isip ko nung in-OPP na ako, stem cell. Okay, stem cell. And it came from a deal. Okay. So, sabi niya, anong health condition mo? Sabi sa akin ni Angela, I'm hypertensive. Okay, this might address your health concerns. Okay. Sabi ko, baka ito na yung hinahanap kong product that will help improve my condition. So, after the OPP sa restaurant, parang sabi ko, nahiya naman ako. Napakuha na ako ng kagad ng isang bote. That same day, pakuha ko. Sabi ko, baka ito na yung hinahanap ko. Okay, sige, try ko. Inom ako. That was 2019. Ito na. 2019, nandudungi ako sa BPO, sa SMA Senior. That is teleperformance. May pa-buffet